Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the helicopter token is for in Heartopia. It says, at the limited terminal, participants can spend helicopter tokens to take a helicopter ride straight to the gallery and check out other players' works. So you can only grab it from the resident requests. I think it's to view other people's buildings later on. You can use it now if they do have it unlocked, like if they have their island unlocked, but most people have it locked, so only their team members can view it, as you can see. I do have it off as well, but if you want to have it on, you can absolutely have it on so people can visit your island. Don't worry, they cannot build anything on your island. They can just visit it and kind of have a look around. But yeah, that is what the helicopter tokens are for. I think you will have to use it later to maybe judge the buildings. I'm not quite sure entirely. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.